Hi. Hi. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Oh, you're so silly. Hi. Hi, girl. Oh, hi. I really wanted you. Hi. What's gonna be your name? What's gonna be your name? Oh, hi. 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 Oh, you're so sweet. Say hi to my puppy. It's a girl. We gotta name her, you guys. It's a Aussie Doodle. She's so friendly. Hi. Hi, Missy. The kid's gonna love you. Pepper? They said we should name you Pepper. Y'all like Pepper? We don't know where Chico is. Chico is gone. Shit. I move fast. Hi. Hi. Everybody's name is already set. Everybody's dog name is Stella or Belly. She got blue eyes, y'all. She's so friendly. She got blue eyes. Well, one of her eyes is blue. Wait. She's so excited. This is my new dog. Here come that other dog. Get the fuck back. Bye. This is my new puppy. What's gonna be your name, girl? No. Move. Go. Shoot. No, you can't sniff this dog. We don't know what this dog got. Move. I just bought it. Hi. She got one blue eye, you guys. So we gotta name her something different because she got one blue eye. She's a puppy. She only 8 weeks. So she really playful. So I gotta train her. Sit down. Sit. Calm down, girl. Calm down. Why you keep asking the same thing, Black Hearts? We don't know. I think the next door neighbors took them. We don't know. Lady Blue. That's too long. When I call her, I'm gonna be like, Lady Blue, Lady Blue. Nope, you're not getting out. Mm-mm. And I don't care if y'all call the doggy people. Dogs don't have to be vaccinated. Dogs don't have to have rabies shots until they 1 year old. Stop biting me. And she don't have to be licensed yet. No shots. I think that she do have to be licensed, but I don't think she have to be licensed until after her rabies shot. She too wrong. She only Blue. I like Pepper. Pepper. Stop hopping around. God damn. Sky is cute. Yeah, she only 8 weeks. And she really this is the naughty age when they like to bite on everything. And they got short little tails. She's a Aussie poodle. And she already got her shots. Aussie Doodle. She was born March 13th. So she about 8 weeks. Got her shots. Stop! Let this go. Oh, she bad. What the hell did I just get myself into? She gonna want some toys. Here, you can get Chico old toy. Since Chico